Hello, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, would like to thank you for the amazing support that you have given me for the last 5 years. Yes, you have been the inspiration for me to put my daily quotes consistently for the last 5 years. In fact, you have been the inspiration for me to start this vlog series. What is the purpose of this vlog series? The purpose of this vlog series is to instill the qualities of compassion, the qualities of objectivity, and the qualities of power in you. Yes, you are right. These are the titles of my 3 new books. Today we are going to start with the Black Book of Power. I'm going to randomly pick an idea from this book and discuss about that. The idea that I have picked for today is: the one who can endure pain gains the power to relieve the pain of others. Let me repeat. One who can endure pain gains the power to relieve the pain of others. The key line to watch here is not about the endurance. The idea says that when you endure, you gain the power to relieve the pain of others. Now, let's start with endurance. What does endurance mean? Endurance means staying for long. It means not quitting. It means never giving up. Now, why endurance is such a great quality? See, it's always like this. At any point in our life, right, when it comes to the challenges, either we quit or our problems quit. Let me repeat. It's always a question of who is quitting, whether you are quitting or your problems quit. This is where the qualities of endurance comes into picture. The more you stay long on the road, your problems naturally quit. It could be anything. Could be your financial challenges, could be your relationship challenges, could be your money challenges, could be anything. It's the matter of who is going to endure, whether you or the problems. When you endure, you stay and you win. When the problems endure, the problem wins. And that's the reason the endurance is one of the top qualities of greatness. Now the point is, when you endure, how you gain the power to relieve the pain of others. It's quite simple. I would like to put it in one word. It's called as transference. What do you mean by transference? See, it's like this. What happens when you endure, right? So when you endure, when you have undergone some tough things in your life and you have stood there and you have fought it for long, what happens is you have ingrained that qualities of endurance in you. Now what happens when you interact with people, when you teach people, when you coach them, even when you heal them, just because you have ingrained these qualities of endurance in you, you transfer this energy. This is the key, because you can only transfer what you have, right? If you have developed these qualities of endurance, naturally you transfer this quality to others through your words, through your coachings, and through your trainings, and through your healings. When that happens, you relieve the pain of others because you teach them how to endure for long. And in the process, when you have this quality, when you transfer this energy to them, knowingly or unknowingly, they also develop these qualities of endurance and they also learn to stay long. Because many times things are not spoken, right? Even without speaking a word, still you can transfer certain qualities. And that is only possible when you have mastered that quality. And endurance is one such quality. When you have mastered that, you will be transferring it, whether consciously or unconsciously, you will be transferring it to the other person. And naturally the other person gets healed. So this is the meaning of the quote. When you endure, you gain the power to relieve the pain of others. So I would say that if you are in a rough patch in your life right now, just mentally say to yourself, I am going to stay on this. And I am going to ensure my problem quit. And I stay. See you in the next video. The next video we will discuss about a very powerful idea from the book of objectivity.